Hey, Queer V here, ready for another previous Artsnacks unboxing. This box came from August 2018. They were having a sale a bit ago on their site. There's like buy one, get one free on previous boxes, so they got me. I got some previous boxes to open for y'all and do some challenges with. So alright, I haven't opened it yet, but here is the August 2018 box. Ooh. Okay, so I did know the type of items that were coming in here, but not the colors. So, ooh. Alright, so these are watercolors, and I got Naples yellow and burnt umber, and then ultramarine pink and ultramarine violet. Ooh, this is the pack I am very excited for, but also yellow and purple and pink are very pretty together. These are good colors. Hooray! I've never worked with watercolor pans or like half pans before, so I'm really excited to do that as well, because I have not worked with that kind before. Okay, and then, ooh yeah, I forgot that this came in there. Oh, it's like stuck. There we go. It's this really crazy pen. I will read more about it soon. But yeah, it's all in Japanese. But it is a brush pen, and I will talk about that shortly. Very excited for that. Here's the candy, Dum Dums, and then, ooh, the sticker is very pretty. That is a gorgeous color. I know it's plain. I know it's not got a design or anything, but this mint is like one of my favorite colors of all time. I love this sticker. I'm very happy with this sticker. And then it did come with, what is this, three sheets of paper. Mine's kind of bent a little bit, because it's kind of bigger than the box, I guess, but pretty good size sheets of paper. I don't know what kind yet. I'll read about that shortly. And then here we have in here, I don't actually remember what's in here. It feels like two things. It's gotta be at least a brush, but what's the other thing? Oh my god. Cannot failing like 100% to open this. Oh, it's a pencil. Oh yeah, okay. I forgot it's the Ticonderoga Artsnacks pencil. Artsnacks. Ooh. Oh my god, please do it. I know, it's because my face is there. Come on, please focus for me. It's really pretty. I want them to see. Yeah. So that's really nice. I mean, it's just, you know, your regular, it's very dirty, your regular Ticonderoga pencil, but I love these pencils. I have tons of them everywhere already. This brand, Ticonderoga, it's the best pencils. I always loved them when I was a kid, because their eraser is really good, and just I always loved the pencil. And I know it's just plain pencil, but I'm happy about it, honestly. And then, oh, this paintbrush is super tiny. It's a 1 sable round, so it's very tiny. Yeah. But ooh, I like how it's blue and sparkly right here. Very pretty. All right, so let's read about these. What's on the menu? All right. So this is the Kuretake Nihondate Kabura Fude Brush Pen number 55. This is a $7.95 retail. And I kind of want to open it like right now, but it looks kind of difficult, so I'm going to have to do that off camera or I will struggle. But I'm really excited for this. Okay, sorry. Stab paper. Although traditionally used for Japanese calligraphy, Fude brush pens are great tools for all artists. The Kuretake Nihondate Kabura Fude brush pen number 55 is a double-sided pen with a firm, fine point on one end and a flexible rubber brush tip on the other. The soft brush tip is extremely flexible, making it easy to create thick or thin strokes, while the fine tip is stiffer, allowing for greater control. Filled with water-based dye ink, this pen is water-soluble, so not waterproof. But yeah, very, very excited for this. It's kind of big too, giant brush pen. Okay. And then the Dollar Rowney, I don't even know how to pronounce like all the things that I say in these Artsnacks menus. I'm probably pronouncing like everything wrong all the time. Anyways, Dollar Rowney Aquafine Watercolor Half Pan Twin Set. $6.99 retail each, and there's 2 of them. So complete, what? Oh, compliment. I can't read. Wow. Complement your artwork with Dollar Rowney Aquafine watercolors. Made from a selection of modern, high-quality pigments, this watercolor paint features rich, free-flowing, transparent colors. Each pack contains 2 carefully selected half pens from the same color palette, letting you mix and create beautiful complementary shades. These are awesome colors that I got. I'm very happy about that. Okay, and then the brush. Robert Simmons watercolor brush, round size 1. So everybody got the same size. And the $7.99 retail. This is a new product. Pair your except it is a few months old, so I guess it's not super new. New product. Pair your new watercolors with a reliable watercolor brush. The Robert Simmons watercolor brush features a unique blend of high-quality synthetic filaments made to imitate natural red sable hair. The bristles hold pigment well while also retaining their shape stroke after stroke. Alright, so I actually have a lot of tiny brushes, but that's okay. I like tiny brushes. And then the Ticonderoga pencil. Artsnacks Dixon Ticonderoga No. 2 pencil. 69-cent retail. Limited edition Artsnacks exclusive. The world's best pencil just got even better. I 100% agree that this is the world's best pencil. Just saying. Introducing an Artsnacks twist on the classic Ticonderoga No. 2 pencil. Known for its distinctive green and yellow ferrule? I actually don't know how to pronounce it. Ferrule? This pencil features an exclusive graphite core formula that delivers an extra smooth performance. The latex-free eraser also provides easy, clean corrections. Alright, and then, okay, so this paper is L'Aquarelle Canson Heritage Watercolor Paper. Whoop whoop, I could tell it was watercolor paper. This is a bonus item. Try out your new art supplies with 3 bonus sheets of cold press L'Aquarelle Canson Heritage Watercolor Paper. This heavy 300 GSM 100% cotton paper is strong and absorbent, offering excellent color laydown and ultra-sharp brush strokes. Experience precise control as color flows smoothly from your brush to paper. If you enjoy this paper, full-size pads are available in our size shop. Yeah, okay. Alright, so the joke for August was, why was the cap arrested? Answer, it was covering for the marker. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. But yeah, so I knew, you know, the contents of this box, but I didn't remember. And also, I didn't know the colors, and I'm very, very happy about these. These were the reasons that I got this box, really. I wanted to try out some pan watercolor. Oops. But yeah, super excited. Thanks for watching that. I hope to see you guys later when I do the challenge for this box. It'll be coming in a while. I have some other challenges to get to first, but it's coming. See you then. Bye.